Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a Telegram chat app to your Wix website. This integration allows your visitors to contact you directly through Telegram, making communication easier and more accessible for your audience. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find various options for managing your site. Click on Apps to reveal a drop-down selection. From this menu, locate the App Marketplace and click on it. The App Marketplace is where you'll find all the third-party tools and integrations that can enhance your website's functionality. Once you're on the App Marketplace page, you'll see a comprehensive list of apps and third-party software available for integration with your Wix website. At the top of the page, locate the search bar. Type in Telegram and hit Enter. This will filter the results to show you apps specifically related to Telegram integration, making it much easier to find what you need. From the list of search results that appear, look carefully for an app named Chat. The description should read something like live chat via Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram. This is the app we're looking for. Click on it to open the app's overview page. Take a moment here to read through all the functions and features this app offers. You'll also find user reviews, which can give you insight into how well the app performs for others. Scroll down further to check the plan and pricing section to ensure it fits within your budget and meets your requirements. Once you've reviewed everything and you're ready to proceed, click on Add to Site. A small permission window will pop up, displaying the app's terms and agreement. This window shows you exactly what access permissions the app is requesting from your Wix account. Review these permissions carefully to understand what data or features the app will have access to. If you're comfortable with everything and agree to the terms, click on Agree and Add. The app will immediately begin its installation process and will be automatically added to your Wix website. And that's it. You've successfully integrated a Telegram chat app into your Wix site, giving your visitors another convenient way to reach you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.